In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to file Uber Eats taxes on TurboTax. So first, you need to access your TurboTax account, and once you're in, you will see this page, and as you can see on the left navigation bar, you will see under the taxes, which is a few options. You just have to click on the federal, and it will pop up a drop-down menu, and under that, you will see wages and income. You just have to click on that one, and once you click on that one under your income and expenses, which is you will see self-employment income and expenses, just click the start button beside. Once you click on that, fill out the text field, which is the food delivery, since we are going to apply Uber Eats taxes. And after that, click the continue button. Once you click on that, just fill out those informations that TurboTax is asking you and just click on the continue button again. After that, you will see these pages, which is TurboTax will ask for some questions that you need to answer, and then just click on the continue button. And after that, when you reach this page, you just have to scroll it down, and as you can see, click on the looks good button, and now you just have to click the import from Uber. Then access your account by entering your phone number or email or your simply account on Uber Eats. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.